Hello and welcome to another tutorial of TechWiki. In this video we're going to use different text formatting tags. Let's get started. This is a normal text and you can see here it's a normal text. I need to copy this text for 9 times. And you will see here this is a normal text. This is a for bold text we use B. This is a bold, and if I save it you can see this is a bold text. This is a italic. We use I tag here, italic here, and you can see italic. This is a big text, big, and big, we use big here. And you can see big text. This is a small text, small text here. This is a subscript text, subscript text. You can see how it changed here, subscript text, and I'm forgetting sub, and now you can see how a different subscript, and this is a superscript text, superscript text, and superscript, and you can see that here superscript text, and this is a insert text, inserted text. You can see here inserted, it came with an underline, and this is deleted text. Deleted, and you can see if I save it, deleted, it came by a line across it, and this is a mark text, like highlight marker, and this is a mark text. These are different type of text that you can use in your HTML code. Thank you for watching. Hope see you in the next videos, and if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss my future videos.